Do you feel like there's too much work, but not enough time? Do you often feel tired and unproductive? Today, I'll share some powerful Islamic productivity hacks that can help you get more done with less fatigue. These are not just random tips, but proven strategies from the Quran and Sunnah that can transform your daily life. Many people think productivity means working more hours, but in Islam, productivity is about doing the right things at the right time with the right intention. It's about achieving more without burnout while maintaining balance in life. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the most productive human in history. He managed worship, family, leadership, and community service, all without feeling exhausted. What was his secret? Let's find out. Hack 1. Start your day with purpose. Your productivity depends on how you start your day. The Prophet never wasted his mornings. He prayed Fajr, stayed active, and planned his day. He said, "O Allah, bless my ummah in the early morning." Tirmidhi. Practical tips. Avoid sleeping after Fajr. Use this time to plan your top 3 priorities. Stay away from distractions like social media in the morning. Start your day with Bismillah and a short dua for barakah. Blessings in your time. Just this one habit can boost your energy and make your day more productive. Hack number 2, take smart breaks. Most people think working non-stop makes them more productive, but science and Sunnah both say otherwise. The Prophet, peace be upon him, took breaks and balanced his time between work, worship, and rest. Practical tips. Work in 45-50-minute sessions and take a 5 to 10-minute break. Use your break wisely. Do wuzu, pray 2 rakahs, or stretch. Use Salah as a productivity booster. It refreshes your mind and body. A short break can increase focus and reduce stress, making you more efficient. Hack number 3, strengthen your intentions. Did you know that even ordinary tasks can become acts of worship? The secret is intention, niyyah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Actions are judged by intentions." Bukhari. Practical tips. Before starting any task, set a clear intention. Example, I'm working to earn halal income and support my family for Allah's sake. Turn daily activities into acts of worship, working, studying, helping others, even smiling. With the right niyyah, you'll feel more motivated, focused, and fulfilled every day. Hack number 4, fix your sleep and diet. The Prophet, peace be upon him, had a healthy sleep and diet routine that kept him strong and energetic. Practical tips. Sleep early and wake up before Fajr. Avoid staying up late. Eat in moderation. Overeating causes laziness. Drink enough water to stay hydrated and focused. Making small changes in sleep and diet will boost your energy and reduce fatigue. So if you want to achieve more with less fatigue, apply these Islamic productivity hacks. Start your day early and plan smartly. Take breaks and use Salah as a recharge. Strengthen your intentions for every action. Fix your sleep and eating habits. These are the same principles that helped the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his companions stay productive without burnout. Try them and see the difference in your life. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic productivity tips. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. Al-Quran,